MyDreamHair continuously improves technologies and strictly controls the process to ensure the quality consistency. Mrs. Huang is the head of the hair processing department. She is guiding the after-treatment works to make sure no tangling.
This place is too close. You push it out and then look at the consistency. Make all of them semicircle, one direction. Keep all curves uniform and make it a natural spiral. So when it comes to the customer's hands, it won't tangle.
Moisture Locks is a creative technology of MyDreamHair. With the new technology, hair cuticles are opened through a certain high temperature, and all the nutrients are locked in the hair.
I want to show you all this new process. It will never tangle no matter how you comb it. Look, it is much better than before. Yeah, great. It is soft, right? Yes, everybody feels it. It feels very good.